Today we're going to make some salt dough. You need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt and 1 cup of water, and a little extra water just in case you need it. Start by adding the salt and the flour together and mixing it with a wooden spoon. Once you've got it to a nice texture, add a little bit of water at a time. Keep stirring, keep blending until it's at a dough consistency. Once you've got to this stage, use your hands to knead the dough. Knead it really well. Keep using your hands to press down, pulling it, pushing it, making it really smooth. Take a little bit at a time if you want to. Your hands might be too small to do a big lot. You need it really smooth. That's pretty perfect. Next, you just need to get some cutters, rolling pin, pencil or a marker. I got some things from the garden to use to press. Just use your imagination. You don't want to roll it too thin. Give it a good thickness, just like that. So I'm just making a little hole with the marker so that I can hang it from a tree with a ribbon or something like that. I've got some leaves from the garden and I'm going to take those and I'm going to press them into the dough. Make a good impression, so pushing hard. Get yourself a baking tray with some paper parchment. Then you can put all your things onto it. The salt dough doesn't need to be cooked, it needs to be dried. So we're going to put it in the oven at 120 and it takes about 2.5 hours. So I've taken these out of the oven and now they've been in there for 2.5 hours. They're pretty hard, looks good. Now we can start painting them. I'm using watercolours, but you can use whatever you have in the house. First of all, you make sure that you get it nice and wet. A little puddle, not a great big lake of water. Mix up the colours really well so you're coating the brush. Here are some finished pieces. I made a fairy door and I used water to stick down all the little pieces onto it. I also made a little Easter egg to hang on a tree. I covered them all with nail polish so that they look shiny. So you can use this salt dough as you would clay. Use your imagination to make all sorts of things. Have fun! Any leftover salt dough, keep it in the fridge for up to 5 days.